At Vermont Precision Tools in Swanton, Governor Phil Scott stood with officials, business leaders, and community partners to talk about the workforce crisis in the state.
We have more jobs available than we have people to fill them.
It's a challenge at Vermont Precision Tools.
With less workers, we have to make decisions every day about what new orders we can take and which orders we have to turn down. And to replace those lost workers that we've seen, we have a huge skills gap to overcome for those looking to enter the workforce for the first time.
That is where a new bill comes in. It will provide $84.5 million that will expand the state's workforce. $3 million will go to recruiting new employees, with grants to cover moving expenses under the new Relocating Worker Program.
We hope in refunding this program with the largest investment to date, it will continue to help us recruit new Vermonters to settle in all corners of our state.
And $10 million will be used for grants, loans, and loan forgiveness in an effort to ease healthcare worker shortages in the state.
Time and time again, we heard from this group of new practice nurses that the financial considerations were chief in their thinking about where they would live and ultimately work. And so scholarship and loan repayment opportunities for these professionals will move our state into a more competitive recruiting and retaining position for the health and human services workforce.
Also announced Tuesday, the expansion of 802 Opportunity, which allows families earning less than $75,000 per year to attend CCV tuition-free.
Oftentimes when we think of these programs, we think of traditional age students, but the real beneficiaries of this program as well are working adults, oftentimes working in jobs, struggling to make ends meet, needing skills in order to be able to get the next promotion or the next job.
According to state data, Vermont will need 2,000 workers in the next 2 years in manufacturing. Reporting live in the newsroom, Dana Casulo, Local 22 News.